Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Docusign regularly, you know how time-consuming it can be to prepare the same documents over and over again. Today, I'll show you how to create a reusable template in Docusign. Simple, fast, and perfect for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a ready-to-go template that saves you clicks every single time. Let's dive in. Log in and open the Templates tab. Start by logging into your Docusign account. On the home page, look to the top menu and click Templates. This is your hub for anything reusable. Agreements, contracts, NDAs, you name it. Create a new template in the Templates area, hit New or Create Template. This launches the setup screen where all the key details come together. Name and describe your template. Give your template a clear descriptive name, something like Client Onboarding Agreement or Employee Offer Letter. Below that, write a short description that explains its purpose, such as, use this for all new client contracts. These details make it easy to find and understand later, especially if your team will be using it. Upload the document next. Upload the document you want to turn into a template. You can drag and drop the file or click Upload and select it from your computer. Double check that you're using the most recent version so you don't have to update it later. Define roles and recipients. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of entering specific people, create roles like client, manager, or HR representative. When someone uses this template in the future, they'll just assign real names and emails to those roles. No need to rebuild the whole setup. Add email details. You can also customize the email subject and message that recipients see. A clear subject like, please review and sign the onboarding agreement gives instant context and helps the email stand out. Finalize and save. When everything looks good, click Next to review the layout, add any signature fields, and confirm the settings. Finally, hit Save and Close. Congratulations, your template is ready to use anytime you need it. And that's it. You've just created a Docusign template that you can reuse for every future signing. No more starting from scratch, just select the template, assign recipients, and send. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment with any Docusign questions you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.